Today we're going to look at the latest in the generation of gas fuel controls. Now in the past we've looked at the earlier models, which are far more simplistic in the way they control. They regulate the pressure and they regulate the flow. But today these types of devices are far more prevalent, and it's brought about largely by the need for greater quality of control of the gas, because these particular machines have to be matched to a much closer performance maps than the old ones, largely to do with emissions, NOx control and that sort of stuff. There are two types here. One is made by PECC, it's a Precision Engineering Corporation. This device is a high voltage device. It's got a cable here, 110 volts DC. So it's not an easy device to service. 110 volts DC is not easy to acquire. You either have to have a lot of batteries or a very powerful rectified power source. You'll also notice it has a large number of other connections. These devices have a great capability for feedback into computers, so PLCs can precisely control the fuel. The actual control element on this is rather crude in a way. It's a simple plate over a hole, and it simply lifts the plate up and down to regulate the fuel. The beauty of it is that it does it with great precision, and it can also be used as a shut-off valve, so it can be completely tight. The drawback to it possibly is it's very sensitive to dirt because the gaps are very, very small, and the other drawback slightly is that it needs 110 volts. Another version of this CCC, Continental Controls, this is a similar device, except for it only needs 24 volts, and it achieves the power by using the 24 volts to control a pilot. And so the actual muscle to move this valve is the pressure of the gas itself. So by using the power from the gas, you can reduce the amount of power you need to put in through the cables. So this is a more easily, and as you can see, considerably smaller device. And in fact, if you went to lift them, you'd see a huge difference. This one is quite liftable, that one's fairly heavy. They all come with a smart interface. So they can be connected to PLCs, they can be connected to systems, SCADA systems, all sorts could be hooked up to this through the bus connection, and they are programmed then through the PLC to provide the exact precise fuel control you need for a modern turbine.